In the center of your chest, an organ works tirelessly. The heart beats thousands of times a day, pumping the blood that keeps every cell in your body alive. Although it is about the size of your fist, the heart is a powerful muscular pump capable of sending blood throughout the body over and over again throughout a lifetime. With each heartbeat, oxygen-poor blood returns to the heart. From there, it begins an extraordinary journey to the lungs, where it will receive the oxygen essential for life. Blood returning from the entire body first enters the right atrium. This small chamber receives each drop and prepares it to continue its journey to the lungs. When the right atrium fills, a valve opens precisely. Blood passes through the tricuspid valve and enters the right ventricle with no possibility of backflow. Now, the right ventricle comes into play. Its powerful muscle fibers contract precisely to pump the blood toward the lungs, where it will begin to load with oxygen. Pumped by the right ventricle, the blood passes through the pulmonary valve and enters the pulmonary arteries. Its destination is not the body, but the lungs, where it will pick up the oxygen that each cell needs. Upon reaching the lungs, the blood reaches millions of tiny alveoli. Here, an extraordinary exchange occurs. Carbon dioxide is expelled, while oxygen enters to give new energy to each red blood cell. Now enriched with oxygen, the blood leaves the lungs and begins its journey back. Through the pulmonary veins, it returns to the heart, ready to nourish the entire body. The return journey ends in the left atrium. Here, the fully oxygenated blood arrives, ready to take the next step before being distributed throughout the body. From the left atrium, blood passes through the mitral valve and enters the left ventricle. Its thick muscular walls generate the force needed to pump the blood to every part of the body. With a powerful contraction, the left ventricle pumps blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. From this moment, the blood begins its journey, carrying oxygen and nutrients to the entire body. Blood leaves the heart through the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From here begins a vast network of vessels that will carry oxygen and nutrients to every organ, muscle, and tissue. As arteries divide into increasingly smaller vessels, the blood reaches the capillaries. It is here that each cell receives the oxygen and nutrients essential for life. Within each cell, oxygen participates in an extraordinary process. Mitochondria use it to produce ATP, the molecule that fuels virtually all of your body's functions. After delivering oxygen, the blood begins its return journey. It now carries carbon dioxide and other cellular waste products that will be eliminated to maintain the body's balance. Thousands of tiny capillaries join together to form small veins. Gradually, these vessels converge into increasingly larger conduits, guiding the blood back to the heart to begin a new cycle. From the entire body, blood continues its return journey through two main pathways, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Both carry blood back to the heart, completing a cycle that occurs continuously. The blood returns to the heart through the right atrium. At this moment, a new cycle begins, receiving, pumping, oxygenating, and distributing, a mechanism that repeats throughout a lifetime. Inside the heart are 4 chambers working in perfect coordination. 2 receive the blood and 2 pump it out, forming a biological machine designed with extraordinary precision. To ensure blood flows in only one direction, the heart has 4 valves. These tiny structures open and close thousands of times a day, controlling every movement of blood flow. Each heartbeat begins with an invisible electrical signal. At the top of the heart, a small group of special cells generates the impulse that initiates a new contraction. The electrical signal travels through the heart in milliseconds. Upon reaching the muscle fibers, it triggers a coordinated contraction that transforms a tiny, invisible signal into a powerful heartbeat. Although the heart keeps the whole body alive, it also needs to receive oxygen and nutrients. For this, it has its own network of blood vessels, the coronary arteries. The coronary arteries deliver oxygen directly to the heart muscle. Without this constant supply, the heart cells would not be able to maintain the strength needed for each heartbeat. The heart depends on its coronary arteries to survive. When one of them becomes blocked, part of the muscle can be deprived of oxygen, jeopardizing the strength of each heartbeat. When a coronary artery becomes completely blocked, the heart muscle cells begin to suffer from a lack of oxygen. Time becomes a critical factor in protecting the heart. Each heartbeat seems like a simple movement, but it's actually the result of millions of muscle cells working together, a perfect coordination that happens inside us without us even noticing. The human heart does not function as a simple mechanical pump. Its muscular walls change shape with each beat, generating the pressure necessary to maintain circulation throughout life. Every second, the heart's valves open and close in extraordinary synchronicity. Their function seems simple, but the flow of blood in the correct direction depends on them. Although it beats automatically, the heart is connected to the entire body. It receives signals from the nervous system that can speed up or slow down its rate according to the body's needs. When the body needs more energy, the heart increases its rate. This sends more oxygen to the muscles, allowing them to respond to every challenge. Even when you sleep, your heart continues to work. It slows down, but never stops, maintaining the circulation that sustains every bodily function. From the first heartbeat before birth to adulthood, the heart changes and adapts. Its mission remains the same: to keep life moving. The heart also responds to our emotions. Fear, joy, or stress can change its rhythm through a deep connection between the brain and the body. The heart is designed to withstand millions of beats, but elevated pressure over years can put more strain on it and impair its function. Over time, some substances can build up inside the arteries. This process can reduce blood flow and increase the risk of heart problems. If a coronary artery becomes blocked, part of the heart may be deprived of oxygen. At that moment, every second is crucial to protect the heart muscle. When the heart faces a challenge, the body activates protective mechanisms. Each system tries to maintain balance and preserve life. Although vulnerable, the heart has a great capacity for adaptation. With care and healthy habits, it can remain strong for many years. Even before birth, the heart begins its work. Its first beat appears early, initiating the movement of blood that will accompany us throughout our lives. From that first heartbeat, the heart never stops. It beats silently throughout each day, accompanying every step, every dream, and every moment of our existence. Without resting for a single moment, the heart can beat nearly 100,000 times a day, an extraordinary precision that sustains life second after second. Every memory, every breath, and every movement exists thanks to an organ that never asked for recognition. While you lived each moment, your heart was always there. While you watched this documentary, your heart never paused. It continued to beat silently, sustaining your life without asking for anything in return. In the silence of your chest lives a universe. Millions of cells, impulses, and vessels work together to make a single heartbeat possible. Every heart is unique, but they all share the same purpose: to keep a story alive. From the first human being to the last child born today, one heartbeat unites us. Your heart never asked for your attention. It just kept beating over and over again. Perhaps the greatest miracle isn't that it exists, but that it's been with you since the very first moment of your life.
Infinium.